Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to create new folders using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. To create folders on the desktop, first we need to navigate to the desktop. So type cd desktop. Now you are inside the desktop folder. To create a single folder, type md my website. As you can see, a folder named My Website has been created on the desktop. If the folder name contains spaces, use quotation marks. For example, type md quotation mark my space website. This will create a folder named My Space Website on the desktop. You can create several folders in a single command by typing their names separated by spaces. For example, type md space project1 space project2 space project3. You can also create multiple subfolders in one command using backslashes. For example, type md space video backslash thumbnails backslash jpeg backslash hd. This will create a main folder on your desktop called video, and inside it, it will create 3 nested folders, thumbnails, JPEG and HD. This is how you can create folders using command prompt. Thank you for watching.